How can you enjoy fresh vegetables without breaking the bank? Well, the advice that works is to go to the grocery store when you know they put things on sale. So you can enjoy bokchoy when you go at the right time. Oh, these are on sale because occasionally there's a little bit of wilting, but it's easy to just peel them off before you consume. So that's the advice that works. Buy on sale at the right time. Unconventional tip that works to increase the longevity of your fresh vegetables is to go with Tupperware. They have this great system in Tupperware which extends the life of your vegetables. They have a great system, and they tell you which slot to turn this. I guess slide the slider to. So, for example, bokchoy is this one. So you want the slider to go over here. So, slider. So you've got 3 choices. This is the one that you want to do for bokchoy. And, of course, I've got some green onions instead. So place the bokchoy so it doesn't touch the other vegetables. And you can extend the life of your bokchoy. Actually, I'm going to see if I can prop them up. Yes, it does. Very, very nice. And then you put the cover on. Oops, let's try that the other way. Put the cover on. Tape it so it clicks. And then put it in the fridge. So that's the unconventional way to extend the life of your vegetables. The easier way is to just get it on sale and then put it in here. So, the advice that works, and then the unconventional advice that works. If you find this useful, please comment, like, and subscribe. So whenever I have new tips, new advice that works, and unconventional advice that works, you'll be the first to know. We will see you very soon. I'm going to have some lunch now. Take care, everyone.